Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account even if you don't have your email, your phone number, or your password. Yes, it's still possible, and I'll guide you through the correct steps. First, go to the Google Account Recovery page. When asked for your email or phone number, click on the option Try Another Way. Google will continue offering different verification paths depending on what information is still linked to your account. If you don't have access to your recovery email or phone number, keep selecting Try Another Way until you reach the option to verify your identity. Here, Google may ask you questions about your account history, things like old passwords you remember when you created your account or how you usually sign in. Answer as accurately as you can. If Google can't verify the account automatically, you may get the option to submit an identity verification request. This allows Google to manually review your recovery attempt. Make sure to check your inbox frequently because Google will send a response with the next steps. If you use Gmail on another device, such as an old phone, tablet, or laptop, make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi and try signing in there. Google can sometimes recognize the device and allow recovery without codes. You should also check if your Gmail is still logged in on another Google service like YouTube, Google Photos, or Chrome. If so, you can go to Manage your Google account and update your recovery options immediately. And that's it. Follow those steps and you'll have the best chance to recover your Gmail account without needing your recovery email, phone, or password. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.